Alright, time for some serious action now. The Maruti Suzuki Desert Storm goes a notch higher with the extreme category men thundering the Great Run of Kutch and the Thar Desert of Rajasthan with their roaring engines. Come, let's storm into the rally.
Last week on Living Cars, we showed you all the action from the Explorer category in the Maruti Suzuki Desert Storm. The 6-day event flagged off in Ahmedabad and crossing the Great Run of Kutch and the beautiful state of Rajasthan got over in Delhi. Come! This week, we take the action a few notches higher. It is time for some serious action. Time to see the extreme category in the Desert Storm. This is what separates the men from the boys. And since this is about speed and nothing else, safety takes even more significance. And the scrutiny team is leaving nothing to chance while doing its checks. As the rally gets ready to get flagged off, the usual suspects are getting ready to take on everything the next 6 days will throw at them.
It's a different ball game, you know. It's a challenge in itself. But especially the desert in the Bikaner and Jaisalmer area, again it's fast stretches and it's going to be a lot of sand. So I'm sure it's going to be real fun there as well.
It's a lifetime experience actually. You know, you can't see such terrains in your life actually because they are so interior, and this is something which is, you know, amazing.
It's going to be a little tough and it's going to be enduring. It's going to be challenging. So you really need to be balanced in your mind as to how you're going to cover this distance.
It's not something you can just decide, you know, 2 weeks before I'm going to go on the rally. No, it doesn't work that way.
As always, the extreme cars are the first to be flagged off. And then they make a dash to the only stage of the day. The twilight stage in the Great Run of Kutch will take the cars to the destination of the day in the White Run Camp. The stage is set to travel through the night, and the lights from the speeding vehicles go all around in the horizon. The run is a dangerous place to drive, especially in the night, as you can't differentiate a hard surface from a loose, wet surface. The stage runs through some of the flat countryside of the run. On these tracks, the cars can clock up to 130 km per hour in some open stretches.
It's been a really long opening day at the Maruti Suzuki Desert Storm. It's 11:30 in the night right now and we are in the middle of the Run of Kutch, and the cars are still awaiting to reach their final destination, which is in the middle of this great run.
The Endure category drivers are also following the extreme drivers on the same route and have their share of fun.
The last 100 kilometers were total run. So the total desert. When we had sand, we had ruptures, we had slush also.
As the evening progressed, in fact as the night progressed, it got faster and more furious. In fact, there were a few patches which were pretty tough to clear by.
And even at 12 in the night, the day is still not over for the drivers and their co-drivers as they start working with their service teams to keep the cars all prepared for the next stage. This day looks very, very challenging. The drivers have started with the longest stage in the rally. And in the current Indian motorsport calendar, a single stage touching 300 kilometers traversing the Great Run poses a great challenge. This stage tests everything: the capability of the driver to drive 300 kilometers in one go, the accuracy of the navigator in the Run of Kutch, and the dependability of the machine they're driving in.
The first one was very bad because my navigator also was doing it for the first time, so we got hopelessly lost all the time. And because of that, while coming out of that situation, we hit a tree stump and our tire got burst. So
Kutch was, you have a lot of big fast stretches with a lot of ruts. That's what breaks your car. When you have long stages like what we had 294 kilometers stage yesterday, it takes a toll on the engine because you're really pushing it for about a good three hours takes a big time load on the engines.
it was nice, but the last 50 kilometers started getting tired. Not physically, but mentally. So the concentration was getting lost here and there also, but it was good fun.
It was pretty fast though. We almost hit like 150 on the top notch. So you need to control your vehicle pretty much stable if you want to do well or something.
You just find yourself in a vast, straight, plain land, and the sun is rising on one corner. I mean, that's just the beautiful sight you can see. So, a very good stage.
Run is total flat out territory. I mean, run we had good fun. Run is fun.
After completing such a long stage, the participants retire for the day rather early at the White Run camp. The third day of the Rally Desert Storm, and it is time for the third special stage, the Run Deja Vu.
Absolute silence as the Desert Storm gets ready to leave the run on day 3 of the rally, but every few minutes this silence is broken by the loud grunts of some roaring engines of these powerful gypsies and flying motorbikes.
And soon enough the cars and bikers start coming in one by one. The competition, as we figure out, is not easy at all. By now the participants have mastered the arts of navigating with the GPS and also driving techniques for the run surfaces. But it is much more difficult for these riders as they are all alone and need to navigate themselves. We catch them at a highway dhaba just after they are done with the stage and get all kinds of feedback as well as complaints.
ये आपको देख के एक्चुअली लग रहा है कि रैली चल रही है, आप धूल मिट्टी है पूरी, कैसा रहा?
बहुत पेनफुल, एक क्रैश और बाइक थोड़ा सा टूट गया था, तो बहुत पेनफुल है।
आपको कितना मजा आ रहा है धूल मिट्टी खाने में पिछले 3 दिन से?
धूल मिट्टी खाने को मिल रही है, खाना इतना नहीं मिल रहा है। और आज जो क्वाड ने किया है ना, वो तो बहुत ही ज्यादा किया है। काफी करीब हम 50 किलोमीटर साथ में चले, दोनों बहुत मिट्टी खाया, लेकिन मजा आ रहा है।
अच्छा, गाड़ी वालों के पास तो नेविगेटर होता है भाई रास्ता बताने के लिए, कहाँ जाना है, लेफ्ट मोड़ना है, राइट मोड़ना है। आपको कितनी परेशानी होती है बताओ मुझे?
बहुत परेशान होती है, क्योंकि हम 2-2 किलोमीटर तक भटक जाते हैं, दूसरे रूट पे चले जाते हैं।
बहुत ज़्यादा मुश्किल हो जाता है और कई बार तो जीपीएस नेटवर्क की वजह से या इम्पैक्ट की वजह से बंद हो जाता है, तो एक बहुत ज़्यादा डर लगता है। और फिर वेट करो पीछे वाले का, जब वो आए तो फिर उसकी मिट्टी खाओ और फिर चलो।
रन ऑफ कच्छ कर गए थे, कैसा लगा वहाँ पे राइड करके? कितना डिफिकल्ट था वहाँ का टेरेन? जगह कैसी लगी?
जगह बहुत अल्टीमेट थी, बट और ट्रैक तो बहुत ही ऑसम था। बहुत ज़्यादा स्लशी था, तो स्लिप होने का डर था। ये जिप्सी वालों ने काफ़ी चीज़ें रास्ते में पटक रखी थी, तो उनसे बचो। उनकी लाइटें पड़ी थी, कईयों के बुल गार्ड्स पड़े थे, तो उनसे बच के निकलो और फिर बढ़िया था।
तो अगर आपको उनसे पहले जाने थे तो उसमें तो कोई बुराई नहीं है ना?
अगर ये हमें पहले स्टार्ट देते तो हमारी राइडिंग में फर्क पड़ जाएगा। ये जो डिच बना के चले जाते हैं ना 4x4 से, वो डिच नहीं होंगे तो हमारी और स्पीड बढ़ जाएगी, तो काफ़ी फर्क पड़ेगा उसके लिए हमारे को।
अब हम राजस्थान की तरफ जा रहे हैं, रेगिस्तान आ जाएगा, कितना फर्क आ जाएगा राइडिंग में, या किस तरह के चैलेंज वहाँ पर होंगे?
अगर हम लोगों को सैंड में चलने की आदत है, हम लोगों को ऐसे स्लेश में चलने की आदत नहीं है, मगर फिर भी यहाँ अच्छा टाइम निकल गया। राजस्थान के जीते हैं और शिकार भाई जीते हैं बस।
In terms of sheer distance to be covered, this is the longest day of the rally, as the entourage is covering more than 700 kilometers to enter Rajasthan and end the day in Jaisalmer, the heart of the Thar Desert. It's a long transport and it's almost dark when the participants reach for the second stage of the day, the Bad Max. Well, 2 different stages in 2 different states, one under the harsh sun in the run and the other in the nocturnal darkness of the desert. Can't get more varied within a span of 10 hours, right? Drivers and their co-drivers are wary of driving through a stage in pitch darkness.
I believe for the driver, the night state, I personally feel is better because you're more focused. You don't see anything that's on the sides. You're right there on the track. There's less distraction.
Even if you're entering the sand or a dune or whatever, you know, you really need to have a very good presence of mind and a quick reaction time to actually control it when you enter that terrain. So it's very tricky. And what these guys have especially done, they have thrown some googlies to us. They just leave us in the middle of a place where there's no track. So you have to really follow the GPS at night and make sure you just make your way out.
Night stages gets tricky because you'd miss on the tracks. When you have lights on the tracks, it gets tricky. It just plays, it becomes a little tough. And but it's a part of the game. You have to come with the challenges what the event throws to you.
They are fun, no doubt about that, but little difficult because it becomes very technical at night. Because morning you can see the tracks. At night the problem is that sometimes you can't see the track. Like in some of the SNG where you have to cross the tarmac, at night there's a problem. You can't see that there's a track right there, or do you have to go 15 meters above. That is a little bit of a problem. During the day you can see it clearly.
फिर ट्रैक नहीं मिलता, ये ट्रैक में दूसरी रोड से आए, डर लगता कि कोई बीच में डिच वगैरह कुछ ना हो, कि एक्सीडेंट ना हो जाए कुछ, उसमें थोड़ा बड़ा केयरफुली से चलना पड़ता है.
Since that you can't see anything beside where your lights are hitting on. So I think we should keep it sober and simple, try to save the vehicle and not break it, and at least finish the stage, otherwise there's no point. And a day comparatively is much easier because you can take shortcuts, you can go left and right, you can, you know, push the car, but at night you have to be very conservative, I guess.
Navigation demands attention. Driving demands attention. Body demands rest. Tension demands release. The car cockpit is likely to turn blue hearing these expletives. Guesswork too plays a very important role based on one's experience. It is again a late end to the day at the Rally Desert Storm.
After the break, catch the extreme machines at the Maruti Suzuki Desert Storm.